Good morning, Year 3. Welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Today is our last lesson on multiplication and division, which I'm sure some of you are happy about. And we're going to be working on some problem solving today. Okay, so we're going to be having problems and you've got to find lots of possible answers. So we're calling it How Many Ways? Right, let's have a look then. So we're going to disappear from the corner to make sure you can see the full screen. Okay, so to start us off, how many wheels do each one have? And you need to match it to the number. So 5 cars and 2 motorbikes. Remember, it's the number of wheels, not the number of vehicles. So give it a go, pause, and come back for the answers. All right, so we know that cars have 4 wheels, mostly. Okay, and motorbikes have 2. So for cars, we could do 4 wheels times 5 cars would give us 20. 2 motorbikes with 2 wheels, so 2 times 2. Okay, add our 2 answers together. And here are your 3 answers. Well done if you got those right. Okay, so starting our main lesson, how many ways? So Lila is potting flowers. Complete the table to show how many possible flower and pot combinations she can make. So we have a tulip and we have roses. Okay, and then 4 different pots. We've got the hourglass, teacup, stripy, and spotty. So we've got some combinations already. So I could have hourglass and a tulip, or hourglass and rose. I could have teacup and tulip, so teacup and the other flower, which is a rose. So what I want you to do is see if you can work out what other combinations I could have for my flowers and pots. So give it a go. You can write it down or you can just say it. Okay, and we'll do the answer when you're ready. Okay, so the answers are going to appear. So you need to be able to fill out all these empty spaces with combinations. Ready? Okay, did you manage to find all of those combinations? So how many were there? Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pots and 2 flowers. So if we're going to do 4 times 2, which gives us 8, there are 8 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So which representation shows 3 times 3 combinations? So we've got A, where we've got 2 types of drink and then 3 tools. B, where we've got 2 different types of leaves and 2 of each. And then C, we've got 3 trees and 3 rugs or blankets. Okay, so which one do you think we'd be able to get 3 times 3 combinations? Okay, so this one has 2 times 3 combinations, so not this one. That 2 times 3 would only give us 6 combinations. This one, B, gives us 2 times 2 combinations. And this one gives us 3 times 3 combinations. So it is C, because I could have tree 1 with our yellow blanket, tree 1 with our blue blanket, tree 1 with our green blanket, and then the same with tree 2 and tree 3. Okay. All right, have a look at this then. We're sticking with our outdoor theme here. Find the calculation that shows the number of ways the tents and sleeping bags can be combined. Is it A, 3 add 2 combinations? Is it B, 3 times 2 combinations? Or is it C, 3 times 3 combinations? Once you've decided which one it is and worked out the number, I then want you to list all those possible combinations. So I would do it as writing the letter and the number. So you could write 1A and then 1B. Okay, so see how many combinations you can find. Pause and come back once you've written down all those combinations. Right, so A, 3 add 2. We know we're not using addition for this one. We need to be multiplying. So A is incorrect. B, 3 times 2. Okay, so we have 3 sleeping bags and 2 tents. So B is our correct answer. There are 6 combinations, and those 6 combinations are below. So see if you got those right. Well done if you found all 6 combinations. Okay, let's have a look at our next one then. Using the information that is on there already, okay, you're going to try and fill out the missing spaces. So in the rides, there are two types of rides. There is Ferris wheel and there's carousel. So you should be able to work out what's missing from those. And then the number of people is either 1 or 2. So what are the missing combinations shown on the grid? So give it a go. Remember, you're using the information that is already there to find all possible combinations. So we're not adding anything new to it. Okay, let's have a look. So they're all going to disappear. So you should be able to see what is missing. Okay, so we've got 2 combinations for the Ferris wheel and 2 for the carousel. Well done if you got those. Well, I enjoy this one, thinking about food, even though it's a little bit chilly at the moment for ice cream. David says that he can have 10 different combinations from this list. Okay, so have a look at the grid. We've got ice creams here and toppings here. Is he correct? Prove it. Okay, so don't just say yes or no. You've got to prove it. So that might be writing the number sentence down to work out how many combinations there are, or writing down the combinations or drawing them in a representation. Okay, so work your way through and come back when you're ready for the answer. So is he correct? Prove it. Okay, so we can prove this quite easily by having a look at the number of ice cream flavours. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice cream flavours. So we're going to do 5 times however many toppings there are. Okay, so it's the ice cream times the topping. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toppings. So we need to work out what 5 times 5 is. So he is incorrect because there are 5 in each group. 5 times 5 is 25, not 10. So there are 25 combinations. So well done if you got it right. What did David do to get the answer of 10 then? Where did he go wrong? Okay, so he added instead of times, didn't he? Okay, and it's easy to do. The symbols do look quite similar, so we have to be careful we are using the correct one. We're multiplying. It's getting bigger, a lot bigger. Okay, let's have a look. Chrissy found 18 combinations of monkeys and bears at the zoo. How many different species of each creature could there be? Okay, so give it a go. Pause the video and work out how many combinations there are. And I'm going to show you a couple once we're done. Okay, so there are more than one possible answer. So the one I've gone for is 6 monkeys and 3 bears, because 6 times 3 equals 18. So I could have 3 monkeys and 6 bears. Okay. If I said 9 monkeys and 9 bears, would that be correct? No, because 9 add 9 is 18, but 9 times 9 is not. Okay, so making sure you are multiplying, not timesing. Multiplying, not adding. Okay, let's go on to our next bit. So you're going to have a go at some of these types of problems in today's work. And remember, it's how many possible ways. Okay, it's not just finding one and going, oh, I'm done. You've got to find as many as you can. Use the multiplication to help you. All right, and see what you can figure out. Okay, enjoy your lesson and I will see you soon. Bye.